Mga celebrity na hindi pinalad ngayong 2025 midterm election. Marjorie Barreto, Councilor for Caloocan City. Dennis Padilla, Councilor for Caloocan City. Marco Gumabaw, Congressman for Camarines Sur. Aramina, Councilor for Pasig City. Alger Abrenica, Councilor for Angeles City, Pampanga. EJ Falcon, Congressman for Oriental Mindoro. Raymond Bagatching, Mayor for Manila City. Luis Manzano, Vice Governor for Batangas. Angelica de la Cruz, Vice Mayor for Malabon. Enzo Pineda, Councilor for Quezon City. Anjo Iliana, Vice Mayor for Calamba, Laguna. Victor Neri, Mayor for Makati City. Philip Salvador, for Senator. Willie Revillame, for Senator. Manny Pacquiao, for Senator. Ramon Bong Revilla Jr., for Senator.